Wanted man fatally shot during an altercation with the police in St. Elizabeth. A man who was wanted for the July 12, 2022 murder of Tyrone Morgan, otherwise called Cuckus, was fatally shot during a confrontation with the police in Nain, St. Elizabeth on Sunday, October 23rd. The deceased has been identified as 25-year-old Tuwaine Morrison, otherwise called Wasp, of Stephen Run District, Nain in the parish. A release from the Jamaica Constabulary Force said, reports from the Junction Police are that about 3 p.m., lawmen responded to a call for assistance with a domestic dispute in the community, where it was alleged that Morrison assaulted relatives with an illegal firearm and made threats to kill them. During the process of taking him into custody, he resisted and reportedly attempted to disarm one of the lawmen. The police discharged their weapon and he was hit.
Officer, do me a beg you, John was Officer, Anja here, the man! Anja, no! Officer, John was sorry, me I tell you. Anja!
He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Both officers are receiving treatment for multiple injuries sustained during the altercation, including a broken wrist and several bite wounds inflicted by the now deceased. The release further stated that the Independent Commission of Investigations (INDICOM) and the Inspectorate at the Professional Standards Oversight Bureau (IPROB) are investigating. Morrison was also previously charged by the St. Elizabeth Police in connection with 3 robberies across the division.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!